I went shopping.
Start again.
I went shopping somewhere else as well today. I went into Anaconda, my next favourite store.
At where?
Oh, we're in Coffs Harbour. So they had a shopping centre that has Anaconda, four-wheel drive supercentre and
RTM.
RTM, is it? All in that one building, so you go into a door and, you know. So I bought one of these collapsible tables, Spinifex collapsible table, because our table, we've got the Weber on it, and I've got nothing. You know, John's got a seat with a little table that comes off his seat, and I have nothing. I use this as my little table, so I wanted a table. And what Tracy wants. Tracy gets. Don't roll your eyes, John. Okay, nothing else in there. And these were, or this was $39.99 at Anaconda. No member special. And it's probably going to be another John setup, not a Tracy setup. We'll see. What they're for. And of course it doesn't come with instructions, and I'm not what's the word, John?
Savvy? Savvy?
Savvy, is that the word?
Well, they would go through there.
I'm not construction minded. Go through where?
They would sit in the top of there.
Ah, yeah, there's a hole on that one.
It'll stretch out.
Maybe it's I'm stretching it the wrong way. They're only squares, so how can I...
Hope you guys have got all day.
Oh, shut up. But it won't stretch it.
These
Oh, yes it will. Look at that.
Just about to say that.
Alright, see, I'm not real that clever when it comes
Told
to
you it would
building.
stretch out.
Could stop filming while I do this so people don't look at me like I'm an idiot.
They won't think that.
There, look.
How much did you pay for that?
$39. Why can't I get this bit
Slide that bit up. Slide it up further. Oh, that's it. Just... It'll go in. There you go.
I'm not going too bad. Looks like it clips in, it slides in one side and clips in the other.
Oh my
Oh, for
God.
God's sake.
Right there. Come around this side so you can see what you're doing. Should have said to everyone, just go and get yourself a drink. Make yourself comfortable.
Shut up. There. Look.
There you have it. Half an hour later.
Are you showing the table or are you showing everything?
I'm showing everything.
Oh.
I think I just cut your head off, but that's
I
alright.
was going to say, like, you know. Anyhow, Anaconda,
That's it.
$39.99 or something. That's alright. It's pretty stable. Put our drinks on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. There's my shopping for the day.